Welcome to World in 2 Minutes. These are your headlines. Chinese media have revised the number of possible survivors from a collapsed mine to 4 instead of 8. The gypsum mine at the province of Shandong collapsed on December 25, and workers have been trapped under its rubble for 6 days. Rescue workers detected the survivors on Wednesday using infrared cameras. They're now working on a strategy to bring them to safety. Nigerian President Muhammadu Buhari says he's ready to negotiate with Boko Haram. Nigeria has been working to secure the release of more than 200 schoolgirls, which the militant group abducted in Chibok in April last year. Buhari says he's prepared to negotiate with what he calls a credible leader of the group, in return for information that leads to the girls' whereabouts. American comedian Bill Cosby has appeared in a US court charged with indecent assault. He was released on $1 million bail. The attack is said to have taken place in 2004. Recently, several women have come forward with accusations against the 78-year-old entertainer. Cosby is best known for his family-oriented TV sitcom in the 80s and early 90s, which earned him the nickname America's Dad. Cosby has filed a defamation suit against 7 of the women. Air Canada says turbulence on a flight from China has wounded 21 passengers. The aircraft made an emergency landing in Calgary and the injured passengers were taken to hospitals. The flight was carrying 332 passengers and 19 crew members. No immediate details were released on what led to the incident, but the airline said investigations are continuing. Thanks for watching TRTworld.com Istanbul.